Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, I'm your teacher for today. I will be discussing our motivation. So, direction, the teacher will present a list of words one at a time. Students must identify which words have additional letters. For every correct answer, students will get a point. Did you understand?
Yes!
Okay, so here is the list of words. So, your task is to identify which among the words have an additional letters. So, number one, who can identify if it has additional words or do not have? So, number one, who would like to answer? Okay, David?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Okay, very good. Has additional letters, which is the table. So, number two, okay, Arif?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, no. No additional letters. Number three. Okay, Olga? Has. Okay, let's see. Has additional. Very good. Has additional letters. Number four. Okay. Has. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay, has additional letters. Number six na. Number six? No. No.
No.
Yes. Okay, very good. No additional letters. So let's proceed to our pre-activity or unlocking difficulty. So direction, arrange the jumbled letters to give the correct word to each item. Next. Okay, number one, we'd like to unjumble the words. Okay, very good. Read it.
Unhappy?
Okay, very good. Repeat. Next. Okay, Casino.
Unhappy. Okay, don't see unhappy.
Very good. Unhappy. Next. Okay, Omar.
Careless? Careless.
Okay, very good. Very good. Next. Quickly. Let's see. Okay, quickly. Next. Okay, Andrea.
Disagreement.
Okay.
Disagree.
Okay. Disagree, correct. Next. Okay, Galida. Okay, very good. Unfriendly. Next.
Reader.
Okay, very good. Read. Next. Okay, Arlene. Misunderstand.
Sino siya?
Last. Okay, very helpful.
Yay! Activity?
Okay, so for our activity, Miss Dodana will introduce it to you. So that's it. I hope you will gain some ideas with that activity. So for this afternoon, I will ask you what is our topic for this day. Okay, Ramir?
Our topic for today is about affixes and its types.
Okay, which is? Okay na. Okay, next. So our lesson for today is affixes and its type, prefixes and suffixes. So affixes are small words or particles, usually only a few letters, added to a root word to change its meaning or grammatical properties. So most affixes are one or two syllables, and some like S and ES are just sounds. For example, we have here the unhappy, which is we have the affixes, which is the unhappy or unclear. Number two is the dislike or disagree. Next. So we have the next topic is discussed by Miss Anne.